how to reset 8BitDo Ultimate 2. So first of all, you need to turn off the 8BitDo Ultimate 2 completely. Then simply remove it from the charging dock. After doing so, simply locate the power button, which is going to be this button. So you need to hold it for about 10 seconds, then turn it back on after a few seconds. This particular step is going to clear the temporary connection glitches without deleting any settings. So you can try this particular method in order to soft reset it. Now you can also hold the pair button for a few seconds further until the LED flashes rapidly, and this is going to reset the stored Bluetooth connections, and now you can reconnect it to your device from the scratch. Now if you want to factory reset it using the software, you can definitely go ahead and do so. For that, you need to connect your controller to your PC, then simply open the 8BitDo Ultimate software. After that, simply go to its settings and look for the option of reset to default, and this is going to basically reset the button mapping, the profiles and the calibration. So that's how you can do it. Thank you.